welcome to Renuka's Mindful Fitness. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm Renuka and today's recipe is a kids-friendly recipe, Chinese parathas. Now the vegetables that your kids usually don't eat will start eating them once you give them these parathas. So let's quickly begin with the recipe. Here I have around 4 cups of atta, some salt to taste, ginger, garlic and green chili paste, some chopped cabbage, grated carrots, chopped green onions, chopped capsicum, chopped onions, some ajwain, some til and water for binding the dough. That's some dhana jeera powder, some haldi powder, garam masala and red chili powder. In a wide bowl or a parat like this, first we'll take all the veggies. Cabbage. You can even add sweet corn into this, tastes really well, but my son doesn't like it, so I'm not putting it. Okay, now we have put all the vegetables here. Now put the atta. Now add all the masalas. Okay, some ajwain, not much, that's enough, some sesame seeds or til, some salt to taste. Okay, ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Adjust the seasonings according to your taste. Okay, that's it. Now mix it together nicely and need not a very soft dough, just need a tough dough like we make it for parathas, because what happens is we have put all the vegetables which will release its water and then you will end up having a very sticky dough. So need a tight dough for this. Some around 1 or 1.5 tablespoon of oil and knead it well. It should be a tight dough, but make sure that it is nice and soft as well. Okay, see, it's done. Okay, you don't have to really take lot of efforts in kneading it. This much kneading is fine. You just need a tough dough like this. Okay, now take a big roll of atta, a big ball of atta, and just dust it with some flour, and now we'll roll it with the help of a rolling pin. Of course we have put lots of vegetables into it, so utna smooth texture to nahi hoga iska. So that's why we are going to make use of either katori or a cookie cutter. Okay, now see, I have a cookie cutter over here like this. You can even make use of katori which has sharp edges, and just okay, remove everything. See, lovely, isn't it? Now we'll put some sesame seeds on top, थोड़े से तिल ऊपर से डालेंगे, and then just roll it slightly like this. Okay, so that the sesame doesn't come out. Okay, same way we'll make all the parathas. I've heated some oil in the pan. Okay, कुछ तेल मैंने गरम कर लिया है पैन में. अब उसमें एक एक करके जो हमने सारे पराठे बनाए हैं उन्हें शैलो फ्राई करेंगे. आप चाहे तो इसमें कम तेल भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बट बच्चों के लिए तो इतना चलता है. ओके, अब एकदम धीमी आंच पे इसे होने देना है. मेक इट ऑन अ लो मीडियम फ्लेम और लो फ्लेम, बिकॉज यू नो वी वांट इट टू गेट कुक्ड नाइसली. अदरवाइज व्हाट विल हैपन कि ये बाहर से बहुत जल्दी ब्राउन हो जाएगा और अंदर से कच्चा ही रह जाएगा. ओके, Now let's see if it's done on one side. See, it's nicely done. Let's flip it. Okay. Okay, so it's done on the other side as well. See, nice and crisp. This is the exact color that we need for our parathas. It's nice and cooked. Okay, now let's do the plating. Our healthy and beautiful Chinese parathas are ready. See how beautiful they look. They are roasted so well from both the sides. Can you hear that noise? They are so crisp and nice. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll be back again with some more healthy recipes for you all. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye bye.